Okay, we have once again this AUTHORIZED.1Dsplx on the test bench. So I did not care for the lithiums on the test bench, so I went ahead and put 8 banks of caps. They are the 2.7 volt caps, 2.7 volt, 3000 farad. So let's charge it back up. And by the way, those are just the regular ACCA-15s. As a matter of fact, this one right here is a black coil rated for 2500 watts continuous. And this one here is an old copper coil rated for 2000 watts continuous. So as you can see, each one just now withstood over 9,000 watts each. Alright, so now we're going to go 1 notch higher on the volume, and you'll see the wave will start to square. Alright, so that is into clipping. 20,629 watts at 1 ohm. There's your voltage, 144.1 volts coming out of the amp, and 147.3 amps of current coming out of the amplifier. And that equals a 1.0 ohm final impedance during the burp.